Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change Outlook theme on an Android device. Okay, let's turn to the tutorial. First, you can open the Outlook app on your device. And then here you can click on this icon. After that, you can tap the settings option here. And then you can scroll down and find the appearance feature. Okay, then now just tap it like this. After that, you can choose the theme between three options: light, dark, and system. Okay, and then here you can also customize the color as you want. Okay, after that, if you want to use the picture, you can select one of these options. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change the theme on Outlook app on an Android device. Don't forget to subscribe for more information from this channel. Thank you.